Hey, it's Rich, Tennessee Homestead. How the heck are you? This is just really a little brief heads up to some subscribers that I know you live in areas like Portland and or drive through them, Seattle, stuff of that nature. These BLM blockades and so forth, and these Antifa blockades, these people are showing up to these protests armed, and they're shooting people. They've gotten down about 20-25 people just recently here, where they've slowed a car down to where the driver's trying to get out of the mess that they've boxed them into, and somebody will walk up to the window and start shooting into the car. So yeah, they're killing people. So I would check on my check local laws, so forth. Usually in most states, if they have a stand your ground or their self-defense laws, if somebody pulls a weapon on you, if it allows you to defend yourself, you better be packing, and you better defend yourself. Don't pull yours first. Just watch them. You'll see them. They pull it out long before they get to you, and by the time they get to you, be ready to drop them like a rock. Now, I talked to them about it. Always remember, when you pull a weapon, negotiations are over. Somebody's pulled a gun on you, and you have to use your weapon. Not time for negotiating, no longer time for talking. And don't worry, they'll clear out around your car after the first shot rings out. Trust me. They run like scared bunnies, because that's what they are. Cowards. So be careful, please. And then you really need to make a look at something here for a minute. I know all of you's got jobs and, yada yada. Okay, is that job worth dying over? Seriously? Or having one of your kids killed over? Seriously? And I'd rather quit the job, file bankruptcy, walk away from the whole mess, and start afresh somewhere else, where people aren't trying to kill you. You're not surrounded by communists. Because right now that's about all you got in those big cities. Want to keep this brief. I don't want to get too long with it. But I do have some things I'd like to say to the people of Seattle. See, I used to be one of these. I used to live out there for a lot of years. But I got to tell you honestly, y'all need to remove your mayor and whatever portion of the city council agreed with her. You need to be fired. Not voted out of office. Fired. Y'all need to show up at City Hall. Okay? Get yourselves a little lawyer to drop the paperwork. They're in violation of their oath of office. They put their hand on that Bible and raise the other one and says, I will defend the Constitution. These kids that died in that autonomous zone that she wouldn't do anything about, and your city council wouldn't do anything about, and wouldn't let the police do anything about. And those kids had civil rights. And I hope the parents of those children sue the snot out of the city and the individuals that was responsible. And yes, Mayor, you're one of the individuals that are responsible. It wasn't about your office. You done violated that oath. It was about you. Because suddenly, when the protesters showed up at your house, Katie barred the door. Here you came, huh? Told your police department to go take care of this mess. They came to my house. Yeah, big $7 million mansion you live in. Yeah. You didn't care about them black kids getting killed. There you go, BLM. There's you, a white woman that didn't give a crap about blacks. Yeah. Y'all say Black Lives Matter. Get to it. No, you wouldn't do that because she's an ally, huh? She lets you pull your crap. She's a Democrat. Disgusting. People of Seattle, you need to kick that woman out of the office. And I'd grab a prosecuting attorney and shake them around good and hard and say, now, you will file charges on this woman to be an accessory to these crimes. Because she's every bit as guilty as the person who pulled the trigger and killed them kids. She allowed it. She could have ended that thing day one. The summer of love, her big street party. Yeah. Tell that to the children that died, or the other ones that got shot. See if they thought it was a party. You sure didn't think it was a party when they showed up at your place, did you, Mayor? Worthless piece of crap. And that is what you are. Yeah, that's what the rest of the country thinks of you, dear. Okay? You're a waste of oxygen. Go away. You want to be a communist? China's due west. Have a great time of it. Black Lives Matter, huh? Prove it. Start giving a crap about black lives. So otherwise you need to change your name. Black criminals killed by police matter. Because that's really all you're concerned with, BLM. That's all you're worried about. And man, have you backed some thugs guilty as snot and deserved what they got. Not all of them. George Floyd and there's a few others did not deserve it. And there you're right. And I'd stand with you on those. Michael Brown? No, Michael Brown was a thug. Black Lives Matter. Going up to Chicago, get that mess cleaned up. Then come tell the rest of the world that Black Lives Matter. And we might believe you. Me personally, I believe all lives matter, including Black Lives Matter. All right? But you're sure having a lot of blacks get killed by people in your little collective. You might want to fix that too. Not a nonviolent organization. You're leaving a trail of bodies. One of your founders is, we're going to burn it to the ground and come up with something new. Let me tell you something, it doesn't burn real well. There's other people out here. I saw your militia. Yeah, we can come up better at that out of senior citizens' homes. Idiots. Okay? Grow up. Get serious. You made a lot of money though, didn't you? Typical little Democrat socialists. Yeah. Shame. Y'all need to pull your heads out of your butts. Seattle, you need to stand up and do something. You're going to be looking like San Francisco in no time. Nothing but homeless people, tent houses, PC in the streets. Well, you already got all those things. Never mind, you are saying it's like San Francisco. Needles laying around. Yeah, never mind. Never mind. Portland heading the same direction. Yeah. Yeah, you Democrats do a heck of a job running cities, don't you? Got one city going up in flames, and when they ask your governor out there in Washington State, what about it? He's like, huh? Is something going on? Whew, there's a sharp one. See, he's right on top of everything. Yeah, you something else. Should be ashamed. Anyway, don't want to go long on this. Just wanted to say my 2 cents. Y'all need to be careful going through them cities. These fools are shooting people for no good reason. Okay? You can be completely minding your business one second and have a bullet ripping through your windows the next. Stay out of them cities. Hate to say it, but bankruptcy and quitting a job might be a good option for you to just walk away from these cities. Seriously. Because I know I've talked to a couple people. One fella had a job interview out in Seattle. Yeah. He's a programmer. Yeah. They was wanting to give him a final interview and put him on. After watching what went on in Seattle, he said, hell no. I want nothing to do with that down. Hilarious. People are a joke. Have that mayor of yours arrested, Seattle. Then I might have some respect for the population of that town. Tell them? Nah. Accessories to murder, the lot of yous. Unless you do something. Y'all have a good day. Take care.